Ladies and gentlemen, it's me, James Sweeney, coming at you from outside the New York Stock Exchange on Wall Street from Federal Hall steps. And before I go inside the New York Stock Exchange, I just want you to take a look back at me because there's a lot of Christmas spirit going around the beautiful tree. And guess what? It's about that time. It's nearly 4 o'clock. The markets, they're about to close. I'm going to run inside and do my story, and I hope you keep watching. Until then, it's time for us to soon have a drink. It's nearly happy hour in the Big Apple. Now, U.S. equities trading higher this Tuesday right behind me here at the New York Stock Exchange as investors keep an eye on a key Federal Reserve meeting, while the Dow Jones Industrial Average closing in on yet another milestone. Now, the Dow also hitting a new intraday high shortly after yesterday's open, briefly rising more than 100 points. The S&P 500 also hitting a new intraday record, rising 0.4%, and the Nasdaq Composite at the same time outperforming, advancing just under 1% to hit new all-time highs. Meanwhile, today, the Fed beginning a two-day monetary policy meeting with most market expectations calling for the central bank to raise interest rates by 25 basis points tomorrow. According to the CME Group's FedWatch tool, market expectations for a rate hike above 90%. The meeting expected to conclude tomorrow, Wednesday, with Fed Chair Janet Yellen scheduled to hold a news conference 2:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Investors also keeping an eye on the Dow Jones as it gets closer to hitting 20,000 for the first time, having broken above 19,000 less than 1 month ago. Entering yesterday, the Dow about 1% away from hitting the key 20,000 level. Now, the Blue Chips Index gaining about 13.6% for the year, and as of Monday's close, with a large part of those gains coming after Donald Trump winning the U.S. presidency since November 8th. The Dow Jones spiking more than 8% and posting 15 record closes. 15. But back to today, again in economic news, the November read on NFIB Small Business Index coming in 98.4, above October's 94.9 read. Meanwhile, import prices falling 0.3% in November. Team, all of this, and let's now take a look to see how the markets are looking to close out this very active trading session. And now all focus already turning to tomorrow afternoon. Will we see a rate hike by the Federal Reserve? I guess we'll all just have to wait and see. So kick back, relax, enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you guys all tomorrow morning. From out on Wall Street, I'm James Sweeney.